A war is upon us. This time is not like the others. It's being played in your minds, disconnecting you further apart. Yes, physically with distance, but mentally and emotionally also. Ever so distracting from the beat within that reminds you to dance together. I'm speaking to your heart, but to know it, you must cut the chords that play on it and regain your own beat. You must fight. The more you do nothing, the more is stripped away. It's coming to the point where you all will be left as slaves to these demons. Like stock dogs, they move the herd a little at a time, not to scare any sheep from getting into the pen. These devils are coming for your children. They have been stealing their innocence since you were a child, and lost now is yours. I share because you are aware and because I care deeply. How do you fight, you ask? You fight back with love, forgiveness, compassion, and mercy for yourself first, to allow you to walk in it, and then give it unto others. These are the things that will keep you cleansed in the only thing that is real, pure love. A time will come when we need to stand tall together. That time is now. One ant is easily squashed on its own, but millions of ants can devour a man. Rise! The power is in our unity. See how they continue to divide you, become easier to control. They will try to take your freedoms, but true freedom is in the mind and heart. This is always yours. These are your holy places. Only you can give this away or retain its sacredness. Learn of this love, and you will always be free. Then you can walk from a place without anxiety, stress, or fear. You will be in a state of loving knowing. It's a deeper wisdom of the soul and bringing you closer to what you truly are. A spiritual being having this experience. This is a spiritual war. It is real. Only two things exist in this world: love or fear. Everything else just falls under one or grows in another. It's love that won't ever be forced. It's a choice you walk into with your own will. A discipline, yes. A hard one, but only hard because of what you must endure and give up to find it. I assure you, what you have to give up doesn't really exist anyway. It's just what you cling to. Learn to surrender your own fight, the one against yourself, and then you can fight for love, not for fear that makes you weaker, but for that which makes you stronger. In the end, all that will exist is the love you felt and shared. It will live on in the hearts of others you touched. Bravery is sharing it in the face of your oppressors. Fear will come for everything you love. How will you prepare yourself? Do so now. Train in love. If they come for you, you will be strong. If they come for your families, you will be the protector. Fight for the things you care about and do it in love, and you won't encourage others to follow, but to lead themselves in the same light. It'll be hard at times, but that's when you need to be your softest. Hold on to these words. Break it down simply for yourself. Love or fear, then choose. When done from fear, it's only because you are scared, and that has no backbone. Eventually it will crumble. Do everything because you love something, love someone, or love yourself, and it becomes a fight of strength, and nothing will stop that. Please don't tell me you know this. Instead, act in it. Be more than knowing. Be love in all you do. Ask yourself, what would love do? And choose that unconditional, unattached, unbiased love every time. For love, from love, in love, by love. Love will prevail. This war is won in your heart. Surrender your will back to love, for it is all that you are. Return to your innocence. I love you.